Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today we're diving into a skincare treat designed especially for dry skin, ORLANE Paris Super-Moisturizing Serum. This is a 1-ounce serum that promises to diminish wrinkles and bring back that radiant glow, particularly focusing on the neck area. It's scented lightly with aloe and highlights ceramides as a key ingredient. Let's see how it stacks up in real life. Right out of the bottle, the texture of this serum is impressively lightweight yet deeply hydrating, which is a big plus for dry skin types like mine. Ceramides are essential for reinforcing the skin's barrier, so their inclusion here is scientifically spot on for boosting moisture retention and skin repair. Aloe scent adds a subtle freshness without being overpowering, which makes the application experience quite pleasant. I incorporated the serum into my evening routine, focusing on my neck as suggested. It absorbed quickly without leaving any sticky residue, and I noticed my skin felt plumper and more comfortable throughout the night. Over 2 weeks, fine lines appeared a little softer, though I wouldn't call it a dramatic wrinkle eraser, more like gentle support for skin texture and moisture. Its ability to restore radiance was noticeable, giving my neck area a subtle glow in the mornings. One thing to note is the serum's fragrance. While it's mild and aloe-based, those with ultra-sensitive skin might want to do a patch test first. Also, the 1-ounce size is pretty standard for serums, but can feel a bit small if you plan to use it liberally every day. On the plus side, it's easy to use, well-formulated with proven ingredients, and offers a refreshing hydration boost that's perfect for dry skin. The lightweight feel is great for layering under other products without causing buildup. However, if you're looking for a potent anti-aging serum that drastically reduces deep wrinkles, this might be a gentler option rather than a powerhouse. In terms of value, ORLANE Paris is positioned in the luxury skincare segment, so the price reflects that premium status. Given the quality of ingredients like ceramides and the elegant formula, it does offer reasonable value for someone who prioritizes hydration and skin barrier support over aggressive wrinkle correction. For those on a tighter budget, there are more affordable ceramide serums available, though they might not have the same refined texture or scent profile. Comparing it to other hydrating serums I've tried, this one feels less heavy than many but more nourishing than ultralight gel serums. It fits well in routines aimed at reinforcing moisture without overwhelming the skin, making it a versatile pick for dry, sensitive, or mature skin types. Packaging is sturdy and elegant, typical of high-end skincare, and the dropper allows for controlled application. The serum's shelf life seems standard. Nothing out of the ordinary there. I haven't needed to reach out to customer support, but ORLANE generally has a good reputation for responsiveness and quality service. If you're someone who wants to add a moisture-rich serum that helps maintain skin health and radiance with a focus on the neck, this is worth considering. It won't replace your heavy-duty wrinkle treatments, but serves beautifully as a daily moisture booster with added ceramide benefits. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried the ORLANE Super Moisturizing Serum, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.